So this 1, 2, 3. This one.
2, 3.
Yeah.
We'll be on the other side. I'll give you the
It's too bad. Like now, it's a cutter.
Yes.
So why would anybody buy something and call the
It's serious. You just need to see the depth of that big man.
Oh, yeah.
Honestly, I see your face and I see some level of frustration here. Like, at least either job making the job very difficult for you.
I'm not too sure. Obviously, when you are coming, but before we remove, we do weeks of groundwork. You see, at least from being on the field, what I've realized is that yeah, we brought operators. In Tusha, what were you doing with the pumping machines?
They told us you should go and bring the pumping machine so that they can do the listing. Mobile drilling.
So who told you?
He has run away.
Huh?
The person has run away.
Whose site were you?
Is it Mr. Felix? But I've been seeing him.
You are working at a site
Yes,
that you don't even know. So who employed you?
that person too has run away. What is his name? The only name I know is Kwame.
How did you get here?
He called me.
How did he get your number?
It's my family member, but
Oh, so you know it's your family member. He called you,
yeah.
but you don't know his name. Only Kwame.
No.
You don't know him. You've not
It's a
seen your
long-
family member
I've
before.
seen him before. That person I've seen. The one you called me, I've seen before.
She lie. You'll be in trouble. Nobody's here to hurt you. You are a victim. So you help the state to correct the wrong.
Okay.
So you speak the truth. Look at your mama. What can I make on? So much is a year ban. And no more abubua. Can I have a call you?
That's why I'm only more pretty. I'm going to operate your machines. The amount of you key where?
Paki!
Lucio, operator take go.
Operator take go why?
Lucio,
And you know see why? What?
Operator, take go.
Spare key. Two. Machine. Two. Key. Two. Spare key. Where?
Key, one post take, one a bit attack.
Who's boss?
Post for morning, we talk post for Kumashi.
Kumashi boss. Name?
Lee.
Lee. Lee what?
Lee.
Lee what? Lee.
Obolo Lee.
Obolo Lee. Okay, good.
Who's Obolo?
Call Obolo Lee. Huh?
I will say a pro operator.
Oh, mother, I have almost you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm sure you know.
10.
This is what they've done.
Hey, 10 so more.
So they could actually move up to that side.
Yeah, move this one this. Just now.
They are still they are calling from all over. Really? Ashanti region. They just don't know where I'm going. And some of them are calling, asking our contacts here that they should tell me not to come to the motor.
There you go, evidence. That's a car.
Boss.
I'm looking at you. I'm sorry. Mr. Felix, you think you're smart?
Officer, take the bag in. Take the bag. Get in there.
Do a jam.
No, bring the key here. Come on. No, keep an idea, man. Hey. Officer.
Move that speaker, put it on the seat so that you can drop your machine down.
Come on. Leave there. Come here, pension. Massa.
Then we have to move that speaker, put it in on the car seat, and then drop the area. That's it.
They will want us.
No, no,